Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how you can recover your Roblox account without using your email or phone number. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So first, go ahead and open up a web browser from your device. And here from the search bar, you can go ahead and type support.roblox.com. So here, let's go ahead and tap on the first result in here. And here, provide the date of your birth. So I will just go and tap on continue. Now in here, you need to fill out this form with your username, your first name, and your email address that is linked to this account, and confirm the email. Now right below it, you can describe the issue. So let's go ahead and tap select. And here you can choose which platform you're having problem with. So is it with your PC or your iPhone or your Android device? So for this one, let's say I am having a problem with my Android phone. And here, type of help category. So tap on account hacked or can't log in. And here, tap on forgot password. Now, right below it, under description of issue, so here you need to type all the details you have, including your last access and also the email that is linked to your account. And after that, tap on continue, and Roblox team is going to be in touch with you within 48 hours. Alright, so after that, you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.